Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can easily turn on motion blur in Hellpoint. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to settings, graphics, and just turn down below. You can also like turn off the vertical synchronization. Turn down below and you're gonna see motion blur, and you can just turn it on or turn it off. It's really up to you, but this is how we do it. So again, you go to settings, graphics, turn down, and motion blur. Thank you everybody, have a great day and see ya. Bye.